Use whitelisting services. Using whitelisting services can significantly improve your email deliverability because it helps establish a higher level of trust between your email sending domain and the email service providers that receive your emails. Whitelisting helps you improve inbox rate, avoid spam filters, and increase email sending volume. Whitelisting is a process in which ESPs or anti-spam organizations explicitly allow emails from certain IP addresses or domains to bypass their spam filters and land directly in their subscribers' inboxes. This is the opposite of blacklisting, where emails from certain IP addresses or domains are automatically marked as spam or blocked. By using a whitelisting service, you can proactively establish a trusted relationship with the ESPs that you want to send emails to. This can help improve your email deliverability by reducing the likelihood that your emails will be marked as spam or blocked. There are several types of whitelisting services available, including private whitelisting and public whitelisting. Private whitelisting involves working directly with specific ESPs to establish a trusted relationship, while public whitelisting involves registering your domain with an organization that maintains a list of trusted senders that are widely recognized by multiple ESPs. Some of the popular whitelisting services include ReturnPath, which offers a certification program that allows email senders to gain entry into the inbox with minimal filtering, and Trusted Sender, a free public whitelist service that is run by the Certified Senders Alliance.